storms will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Plattsmouth around 8:10 p.m. Pacific Junction around 8:15 p.m. Glenwood around 8:20 p.m. Malvern around 8:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hastings, Silver City, Imogene, Camp Maha, Randolph, and Tabor. This includes the following highways: Highway 34 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 27. Highway 59 in Iowa between mile markers 25 and 31. Highway 75 in Nebraska between mile markers 73 and 85. Interstate 29 between mile markers 27 and 42. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest